Hi, the Immersive Reader Chrome extension helps your students to read better. It is free and you can just install it into Chrome. Or of course, you can use Microsoft Edge, which is built on Chrome, so it's very similar, but actually quite a bit cooler. Of course, you can't install Edge onto a Chromebook, so with a Chromebook, you're going to need to use the Immersive Reader Chrome extension. Now, once you have installed the Immersive Reader Chrome extension, what students are going to do is they're going to go to Google Classroom, they're going to go to a website, they're going to find something with text. And I'm going to go ahead and open View This Assignment. I'm in Teacher View, so I have to switch over to hear where the instructions are. But of course, it would open right up to the instructions for students. I'm going to highlight what I want to have read, and I'm going to right-click and choose Help Me Read This. Now, this is part of the Chrome extension, so you'll see that it instantly takes away all of the distraction. It spaces it out and gives the font a nice view for students to read, and it'll read it to them.
Hi, this is Alice Keeler. I do not know very much about reading tips, and Anna Hartranft is learning about Google Classroom. We are a good match, smiley face.
Now this is pretty great. However, it has even more features. Come up here in the upper right to where it says Text Preferences. I'm going to select that, and I can adjust the font size for my readers so that it is much easier to read with maybe larger words or with more or less spacing. And of course, who doesn't love a good Comic Sans? Now, before you laugh, Comic Sans actually can help students who have challenges with reading. If you look at some of the research, using a font that is a little bit more difficult to read actually helps them to read because they have to focus a little more. I'm not making this up. You can change the theme, which improves the contrast, but look how many colors that students can choose so that it's easier for them to read. Now we come over here to this middle option, which is grammar options. I'm going to go ahead and click on grammar options, and we can turn on syllables. We can make nouns and adjectives stick out by being color coded. And now let's go over to this last option of reading preferences. Now reading preferences allows me to do line focus. This is amazing. When I do line focus, students can focus in on one line of words. Now let's play it.
Match, smiley face. To demonstrate for Anna how to post an assignment in Google Classroom, I am going to share a Google tip that may be helpful to your students. Please.
All right, so they can just play it there and have that line focus, which can help them. And it also has a picture dictionary, which means that when I click on some of these words, they're going to put a picture to go along with it, which would be really helpful. But also they can choose to listen to that particular word.
Please.
When they're struggling with how to read the words. They can get a picture dictionary, they can get a pronunciation, they can see lined focus. And if language is one of their reasons they are struggling with English, with reading, you can have it actually converted. And we'll do the whole document, and you can see that it's going to translate for you so that students can see it in a distraction-free environment, even in their language, with the picture dictionary. If I can find one of these that has a word on it. All right, so how do we do that again? You want to make sure that you install the Immersive Reader Chrome extension and or use Microsoft Edge, and then just highlight, right-click, and choose Help Me Read This.
Welcome to this workshop. Anna Hartranft is an experienced educator. Instructional coach and advocate for students who think and learn differently.